This is an Ethernet phone. It changed the screen, resulting in the loss of the original color function. We use the i2c programmer to fix it.
The first step is to go to the LCM page and select Tutorial.
The phone to be repaired connects to the i2c via a data cable, enters the password and gains trust. Enter your passcode and trust it. The iPhone 6s programmer will automatically obtain the code. Step 2. We will repair the LCD screen that needs the original color function and connect the i2c programmer. Step 3. We click Recover LCM key to write the original color. Please wait while writing. Once the fix is complete, the screen can be installed on the phone for functional testing. 5x fast forward to. You can see that the original color function has been fixed successfully.
The phone is connected directly to the computer via a data cable. Open 3 and click View in device details.
Copy cover board number in the original color code. Next, open the i2c tool.
Click Connect.
Copy the original color code into display plastic. The important thing to note here is to delete all text for spaces. After everything is ready, we will fix the original color function of the screen connected to the i2c programmer. After everything is ready, we click the right key on the i2c assistant to complete the repair.